Hi everybody, it's me. So I'm doing a review on Strawberry Cough. They are called Puffins. This is like my 8th video. It's liquid diamond, sativa. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay. Come on. It comes with a top and a bottom. It's smooth. So it does smell like strawberry-ish. It tastes like strawberries. In the beginning, it tastes like strawberry cough syrup. But I think it's because it has a minty taste to it, maybe. This is what this looks like, if I can get it. It's very clear. I guess you can, Maybe. It's harsher on the throatish. It's very strong. So, I'd recommend, but the taste isn't as good. Yeah, I'd recommend.